wanted to show you guys what I wore this morning for Rosh Hashanah. I decided to wear this white dress. I was debating if I actually wanted to wear white or not, but anyway. So white is purity. Since it's Rosh Hashanah, that means to get ahead of the year. So this is the Jewish New Year, and it's actually really hot in LA right now. It's like 90 degrees. So I actually did wear sandals. These are really cute, if you can see. These are the Jimmy Choo sandals. And then I did decide to go with the blazer because I thought that was going to be a nice touch. And then I did wear the white dress. This one I've worn a few times now, and I really love the fit. I've worn this with heels, and then I've also worn it just with sandals. This is actually my first time wearing it this way, where I've dressed it up a little bit, and I got lots of compliments on it. So, and I think that this is structured pretty nicely, the way that I balanced it out. So it's not like the jacket fits nicely because it's a little bit long and a little bit oversized. It's kind of that oversized menswear jacket trend, and I think it paired really nicely with the long dress. So yeah, nice mix of fabrics that I did here. And what else? It's really comfortable, extremely comfortable. This is silk, so definitely recommend get yourself a really nice silk jacket, silk blazer, because this has really become a staple in my closet. And I've worn this so many times. I did just get another blazer this past week, so this one needs to make a little bit more room. Another great way to wear the blazer is you can just wear it off your shoulders like this. So this could be fun if you're going out to dinner or just out on the town and you just kind of want a little bit more of a streetwear look. You can kind of wear it like a cape like this, and it takes on a whole new look, a little less formal and a little bit more relaxed. Okay, I'm having some friends over for dinner tonight, and I wanted to show you guys my table and how I prepared it and the theme. Usually I go a little bit more out, but I was in a bit of a rush, so I just kind of went with a lot of the usual. But basically, we're going to have a lot of champagne. We're doing apples, of course, because it's Rosh Hashanah and you want to make the year sweet. That's the whole point. So I have a lot of apples. My favorite are green apples for some reason. And you dip the apples in honey. So this is like mandatory. And I have donuts too, which, yeah, I'm totally cheating, but I'm gonna have some donuts tonight. And then everybody gets like a cute little dish to put their honey in, which I think is adorable. So yeah, I'll kind of show you guys like how I set the table up and talk about my little plates and whatnot. We got some kosher wine, of course, and basically this is what I do. So these are Pottery Barn, if you can believe it or not. These I got at World Market. So I wanted blue and white because those are the colors of the Israeli flag, and that just really sets the tone for tonight. And then these are so cute. I just got these at Target, to be honest. And they wash really easily, and they're pretty cute. And then these I actually also got at Target. These I found at this really cute store on La Brea here in LA, at this like French store, and they're super nice. I got a few of them. And then, okay, would you believe it? This is Target, this bowl. But these are Pottery Barn. And so like it literally looks like it's part of the same set. So if you can go to Target and find those same dishes, I highly recommend it. Yep. So that's the plan. Okay, if I didn't want to wear the white dress with something really dressy, this is probably what I would wear it with. This is one of my favorite fall jackets. this green kind of like overthrow army style coat. This has become really popular for fall. I was actually at Max Mara earlier in the summer and they were selling this exact style coat for like over $1,000. No joke. So really popular, really trendy, and I think everybody looks really good in this color green. This is going to be really stylish along with that kind of like cranberry color for fall. So definitely try and get this color in your closet if you can. It's really stylish and it pairs really well with everything. Also, when I had a dog in San Francisco, this was my go-to in the mornings because it was just so easy to throw on, and it has so many pockets as well. So, and it looks good. So you can just tie it like this and cinch it at the waist and create like a whole new outfit. If you want to know my secret trick to getting a white dress on and off without getting your makeup on it, I'm going to give you my secret. It's this. I know it totally doesn't look very sexy, but this has saved my life so many times and it's actually made me want to wear white more. It's called like a bridal hood and you can get these on Amazon. They come in a pack of like 3 and basically you just like put it on, you can do your makeup and you can like put it on your head and then you can take clothes on and off so easily and you don't get any makeup on it, and it's literally such a game changer. And you can just throw these in the washing machine and all of your makeup comes off, and it's just saved me so much stress and time and energy, and also trips to the dry cleaner. And yeah, this dress has stayed very clean and I actually look forward to taking it off later instead of freaking out. So yeah, this is the trick. These are called bridal hoods. Go figure.